Hello guys and welcome back to my channel! Today we are going to talk about spring capsule wardrobe, spring fashion staples and essentials. Before starting the video, I want to give you a little bit of disclaimer that I think in general capsule wardrobes and essentials you can expand them really widely if you want so I try to keep it really low on a few essentials that I think are really essentials that you need no matter what style you have. We're in so many different ways and therefore you don't waste money. It like pays off having these essentials and it's just suitable for any woman, let's say like that. And then the other ones are just the ones which I have found like being my staples and fashion pieces this year. But there can definitely be so many different staple pieces. I didn't even go into leggings and so many, and I could go into more skirts and so on. But I really wanted to keep it on a low side. To not make this video too long and too crazy. At the end of the video I will give you steps kind of how to create your capsule wardrobe. And on my blog you can read a blog post where I will list the staple pieces as well, but also what you need to take into consideration when creating your capsule wardrobe, like your unique one for you and your style, because one wardrobe will not go for all styles and all people obviously. So I just stated like few points you should take into consideration when creating your or shopping for your kind of staples for spring. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So first staple is a white button-up. I think just white shirts in general. You can choose bigger, smaller, whatever is your style and your vibe. But in general, a white button-up, it's amazing. It's for warmer weather, it's for cooler weather. You can layer it up, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, wear with denim, wear with leather, wear with whatever you really want. And this is from ASOS Petite edition and I think they still have them. Links will be down below, whatever I can find, and whatever is not available I will find some similar items for you. The next one is denim shirt. This is some staple that I guess wouldn't be for everyone, and I would not even specifically say that I wear it too many times, but what I love about denim shirts is that they are a little bit more casual than like the white ones. It doesn't get dirty as fast. It's also great for when you're traveling, for weekend getaways, like I don't know, campings, maybe if you go for campings or hiking even. It's just really stylish casual piece. I love a lot to style it with leather leggings, like that's my go-to, or leather pants or anything like that. So for me, this is kind of a staple piece that I just forget about it, but every time I remember about it, I am loving it. Next amazing piece is a longer cardigan. As for petites, I suggest not getting like very long ones, which I have seen on tall girls. Those look really amazing on tall girls, but I feel like, at least for me, I really don't like those really like maxi kind of cardigans. I just get lost in them. So I prefer a little bit over the bum, but not too long, but still long, because if you do the proportions right underneath, I think it looks really bomb, or with like pointed to booties and so on. And this is great again for layering, for days when it's kind of warm but maybe windy and gets cooler, so you can put it on or take it off and yeah, and wear it, for example, with the same either a basics or that button-up shirt that I showed you. So the denim shirt I got from Amazon Essentials, really amazing one. Totally suggest you. This one is from Yes Style. I am obsessed with Yes Style. I know that I think people are like a little bit like that's like Shane, and it kind of has Shane vibes, but they have also really, and I think I'm going to do a video because I have understood that there are a few brands, Korean brands on Yes Style that I'm obsessed with, and I didn't notice that most items that I order at the end are only of those few brands, because they are really elegant and stylish and really high quality. Bad thing is that good items are a little bit obviously pricier, and also they sell out really quickly, which I really hate, because when I finally get them and want to show my audience, they are not available anymore many times. Then the next one, if you let me, I will not take it off because I'm already wearing it. This is the sweater I got this year and I'm so obsessed. Really great quality. It's a little bit heavy. in a good way, in a way that it feels like a heavy blanket. I kind of feels like really warm and safe in it. And then it's Petite friendly. Have fallen for the Petite category. It's not big one, it's really small, unfortunately, for like good items, but the items they have are really good and fits me perfectly until the like last centimeter. And this one again, look at the sleeves, and they have really nice cuts that are like more even flattering, and it's just really amazing. Usually I hate to like oversize things, as again for petites I feel like I look really wide. But there's some items that just looks nice, and this one's so comfy that I don't really care that it's like on a wider size, and with leggings as I'm wearing today, or with like a denim for example. Really loving this one. Basics. Basic tops. I got these cotton tops from, again, Amazon Basics, Amazon Essentials. I think Amazon in general is the best one for basics, like for tea. You can find every fit you need, every neckline you need. It's really fast, really easy. The price is really good for what you get. And as again for petites, I suggest like V neckline or heart neckline. That's exactly what I got. I didn't have in my list to mention bodysuits, but that's another essential I will suggest you. I need to get a good bodysuit. I only have one. Bodysuits give really luxurious, elegant look for any outfit. Again, you can dress it up, dress it down. For bottoms, I totally suggest a good pair of blue jeans from Springfield. Like really goes good with everything, and style it up as ever you want, style it up, style it down. Then I suggest having some black pants. And black pants because I know there's so many people who hate jeans, but I love jeans. And if you find a good comfy jeans for you, then you feel like fish in the water. You don't feel like you're wearing jeans. And that's actually about these last jeans I'm going to show you. These are more like flattering ones, skinny jeans, black, like more classy ones that you can dress up a little bit more. But if you hate jeans, just choose trousers, for example. If you have Stradivarius, check their petite section. They are amazing. They are really affordable, but amazing quality. Next time I'm definitely going to try out more jeans, maybe even the ripped ones I will try. Then something else I got this year, again from Yes Style. Amazing maxi satin skirt, and I think they have many colors available. I think only fewer left, and I wanted something like really minimalistic. So I went for this like cream, and I love my choice that I made. It goes great with browns, it goes great with blacks, it will go great even with colors if you want, I'm pretty sure, like pinks for them or reds. So it goes with everything, and the quality is amazing. And what I love is that the waistband is stretchy, but a little bit, only a little bit. It still like cinches you in, it looks great on your body, but a little bit of stretch, so it like really feels like a glow on your body. So that's something I really love about this skirt. Something I forgot to mention for tops is graphic letter or non-letter hoodie or pullover, whatever is your vibe. I got this for Christmas, Levi hoodie, and these are great because you can style them up with, for example, the same satin skirt and give this like casual chic vibe kind of, or you can just style it with denim or again leggings, whatever is your vibe. And then when it goes to dresses, I have a little bit not so minimalistic and aesthetic choices. Firstly, a midi dress. Obviously, black maybe will be a little bit more aesthetic and stuff, but I have this like raspberry red from Claude London, which has amazing different dresses for petites. But it is so beautiful, and I always wear it in the springtime whenever I travel, whenever I go to like beautiful places. I just wear it. It's so beautiful, but it is very comfortable at the same time. You can wear it with either denim jacket or leather jacket. And talking about jackets, don't worry, you need to subscribe to this video if you love it for part 2 and 3, because we will talk separately for jackets and outerwear and for boots and footwear. Spring at the end of the day is about colors. You don't need to choose like all rainbow, just choose a few that you really love. For example, for me those are pink and red. And then the last but not least are flower dresses. I wrote a blog post, full blog post, and also YouTube video for flower dresses, so check that out. It's like in this pinkish, and again it's from Claude London. It's really beautiful, and I wear it the most with combat boots and leather jacket usually. Just has these really beautiful flowers. It's it's really nice. Again, spring should be about some kind of colors. You cannot just wear as like boring beige tones and black tones all the time. I forgot to give you tips. So declutter your closet and put away winter clothes, either in boxes, baskets, or in some other kind of closet if you have one. Also already donate, throw away things you know that you are not going to wear. Then put in the spring clothes and make a shopping list of things you need to style them better, to wear them better, something that maybe you wore out, and also declutter those items obviously that you have. And this will just help you to keep your closet organized and also to not shop and buy things you don't need. For example, I have shopping list all the time, some kind of shopping list on my phone, just for the future when I go shopping, when I have a urge for shopping or when I'm out, then I have this list and it makes me feel so much better because I buy things that I actually need and not for just buying things. And then I come home and I actually needed them and I actually use them, and that's so much better. It's not like waste of money or anything like that. And yeah, and those are my like top tips when you are creating and working on your spring wardrobe. I hope this video was useful for you. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do not forget there will be part 2 and part 3. Also subscribe to my blog to not miss out blog posts on there, because my main platform ever is my blog. That will be something that I cannot imagine not having it. Hope you enjoyed it and see you guys next time. Bye!